The Supreme Court has cleared the way for President Trump's administration to resume sweeping immigration enforcement in LA. The High Court lifted a lower court's order that barred federal agents from snatching people off the streets without reasonable suspicion. Now, the decision allows federal agents to arrest people indiscriminately and denying them due process. That means that ICE can detain people based solely on their ethnicity, language, and where they work.
I want the entire nation to hear me when I say this isn't just an attack on the people of Los Angeles. This is an attack on every person in this city and in every city in our country.
And joining us now is California Senator Alex Padilla. Senator Padilla, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Well, thank you for having me. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Please just first give us your reaction to this news that the Supreme Court is going to allow this to continue happening.
Yeah, well, I think two things that immediately came to mind yesterday. Number one, sadly not shocked. There's a reason that there's such little public confidence in the Supreme Court, because they keep finding legal contortions to give Donald Trump whatever he wants, including abusing power and breaking the law in this case. But second, the fight is not over. Now, yesterday's decision, without explanation, by the way, so who knows what they're hiding, is only lifting the temporary injunction. The underlying legal case is still there. So the fight will continue to ensure due process rights and our fundamental civil rights for all people.
Back in July, you announced a bill to reopen lawful pathways to legalization, trying to counter the Trump administration. Where is that at, and what are you hearing from other lawmakers?
Yeah, well, we're continuing to have those meetings, building support for it, because it is a sharp contrast to the way this administration has tried to go about immigration enforcement. And I'll repeat something I've said over and over again. If this administration was truly only targeting the dangerous, violent criminals they talk so much about, there would be no debate, there would be no disagreement. But we know that in practice, it has been anything but that. The vast majority of people that have been rounded up, that have been detained, have been arrested, even deported, have no criminal or violent criminal history. It ends up being the hardworking people that our economy relies on, and they deserve a better way. And so I have proposed a bill that would sort of update a law signed by Republican President Ronald Reagan decades ago that gives people a step towards legalization, not automatic citizenship, but a step towards legalization. If they've been here for more than 7 years, they've paid their taxes, haven't broken the law, etc. And I think that is common sense. If you talk to people around the country, both Republicans and Democrats, they see both the recklessness of this administration and the wisdom of a proposal like mine. And so we need to build the public support for it to provide the political support here in Congress, because too many Republicans are still fearful of President Trump.
What are you saying to the Latino communities who, as you said, this legal fight is not over, but who have been hunkered down now for months in their homes, afraid to go to school, afraid to go to work? How do they continue to survive this?
Yeah, so my message is exactly that. First of all, know that there's a lot of us who get it. When I hear from constituents, but also hear from friends and family who are living in fear. And share your stories. Don't give up. We're going to continue the pushback, as I said, here in the halls of Congress with our legislative efforts. We're going to continue our fight in the courts. The litigation continues. But ultimately, we need to continue the fight in communities and organizing. Yes, for next year's midterm elections. Most short term, keep volunteering for those rapid response networks that are helping us hold this administration accountable when these operations come to communities nearby. But I'll give you one very specific item. We can rally around Proposition 50 this November, because taking back majorities in Congress is the best surefire way to rein in this president and defend our democracy.
Okay, I do have a question for you that's breaking this morning. Mayor Karen Bass has endorsed Antonio Villaraigosa for governor. At the same time, Politico has an article out this morning saying why California's political class is begging you to run for governor. Will you run for governor? And what do you make of Mayor Bass's endorsement?
Look, I've known Mayor Bass and Antonio Villaraigosa for a long, long time, now literally decades. They've known each other for a lot longer. So respect their relationship, respect their friendship. My message is this: the governor's race is next year. There's going to be time for that. We have some urgent business right in front of us, responding to the Supreme Court ruling yesterday and gearing up for this all-important special election this November. Vote yes on Prop 50.
So that's
All right.
not a no to running.
Yeah, that means you'll call us back when you're ready to announce.
We'll just focus on the business in front of us.
Okay. Senator Padilla, we appreciate you for joining us this morning. Thank you.
Thank you.